market land specialist, coming to you live with this epic wow content. Today we will be talking about a cheat sheet, vacant land cheat sheet, and we're going to be talking about scripts, mainly scripts for sellers. Okay. A lot of people have been asking for scripts, and I got scripts for you. Okay. If you can be so kind, go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell, smash that like button, and share this epic wild content. Don't forget, I'm going live each and every Wednesday, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, every Friday, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I'll be sure to give you everything I got fresh off the press, pouring my life out like a drink offering. You dig? So let's get right into it. Let me go ahead and share my screen. And today we're going to be talking about the script, okay? Hopefully you can see my screen. And basically, this is a vacant land script, mainly for sellers. What you have to understand is that you have to be short and sweet on the phone, ladies and gentlemen. Please do not call nobody saying, how you doing today? People don't care, that they really don't care. What they want to know is, who are you and what do you want? If you don't want to get the clicky, the hang up, you have to get straight in and straight out, okay? So these scripts have been tested by me personally. They work. You'll be surprised how short my sales calls are. Some of my calls are 3 to 5 minutes. I'm able to tell if this person is motivated or not. And hopefully with me sharing these scripts with you, it will give you the confidence, the courage, and the insight you need to be able to close a vacant land deal and earn people business. Without further ado, the first thing you want to do is tell them your name. So you would say something like, my name is Damien Dupee with Creative Land Solutions. And you want to ask them, do they have any interest in selling their vacant lot at Farmer Street? Okay. If they say no, you want to ask them, just out of curiosity, what do you plan to do with the lot? If they say they might build on it, I'm leaving it to my kids, etc. That's some of the general responses you will get. You can say something like, I appreciate that. I know that time and circumstances changes things. If you consider selling in the future, can you give me an opportunity to earn your business? Sometimes they will say no. Sometimes they will say yes, okay? It's just a way that you can kind of build rapport with people and just kind of try to see what they're going to do with the land, okay? In any event, you ask the same question, okay, and the client responds yes, or the prospect. You want to try to get a number out of them before you go making an offer. Please, this works. Trust me. You might be prepared to offer $22,000 and the seller might only want $12,500, okay? So please don't skip steps. This script is created for you to do it in this exact order. Again, in my opinion, this is what get the job done after doing hundreds and hundreds of cold calls, hundreds of voicemails, hundreds of talking to people. I've figured out what works and what don't work, okay? So please rest assured I have experience on the phone. I love the phone. I love objections. And if you can learn how to master objections, you will win, okay? You will win, no doubt about it, okay? So in any event, someone does say yes, you just want to ask them, just out of curiosity, do you have a price in mind you were looking to get for the lot? And let's just say the client responds, yes, I was thinking to get like $25,000. You want to ask, is that price firm or negotiable? If they say it's negotiable, you just kind of, you at least know that, okay, they're looking for 25, but in any event, my highest and best $19,999, there's a good chance that we can strike a deal, okay? So let's run through the same script, okay, and let's put the response for the prospect for no. All right, so let's just say you asked the question just out of curiosity, do you have a price in mind you were looking to get for the lot? and the client says no, you want to tell them something like this: I have good news for you. And you want to present your offer. Always say you got good news. People love good news. Tell them you got good news. You got to come with some good news. And you got to come with a strong offer. People love good news, and people love to get strong offers, okay? People are used to getting lowball. They're used to getting pennies on a dollar. I found in the infill lot space, especially in a medium-sized market to larger-sized market, people are hip. What do you mean, Damien? Basically, they know that there's a lot of action going on, a lot of new construction, and they're not giving their stuff away for pennies, okay? So you have to come straight, okay? Don't come straight. Come straight. Don't be late. You dig? So if they say no, you want to say, I got good news for you. I was able to get $17,250 approved. We can pay all your closing costs. And last but not least, we can close in 30 days or less. Does that work for you? Don't forget to ask them that question. This is very, very important. I know it's not on the script. I probably should have updated that. But does that price work for you? Okay? You want to ask them that, ladies and gentlemen. You got to, because if they say no, then you want to ask them what price works for you. Okay? Very, very important. The name of the game is to get them what they want and sell it for a little bit more. That is my philosophy. It works for me. I don't negotiate at all. People say, you nuts, you crazy. So what? Do you? Let me do me. My business model works. I ain't complaining. By the grace of God, I'm able to find deals. I'm able to do deals consistently every month. And I'm very grateful for every client that I get to serve and sell their vacant lot and or purchase their vacant lot. Okay? All right. So once you go there, you want to ask them would they happen to have any other lots available that they would consider selling at the time. This is very, very important because, again, you're wrapping up your conversation, but some people have multiple lots, and they could say something like, yeah, I own the lot adjacent to it, or I own 4 lots on that street. And then you want to, if they say they own multiple lots, you just want to confirm, is it located in the same city and state that this lot is located? And you want to confirm what name is it in. So you can then basically go to the county assessor's website and locate these vacant parcels. Okay? Very, 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 very important. You want to ask them what is the best contact number for them. And you basically want to ask them, is this a mobile or landline? And you want to thank them for their time or consideration. I did skip something. I do apologize. After you ask them, do they have any other lots available that they want to sell? You basically want to let them know what you're going to do. If you haven't already done that, I try to have this step done when I get people on the phone, because as you will find out, as you start making calls, as you start making offers on people's properties, it's once you get them on the phone, sometimes it's hard to get them back on the phone. And you want to be able to kill 2 birds with 1 stone, okay? You want to be able to, 1, identify that they are willing to sell, identify a price that works for them, and get some form of email address or the best contact number so you can call them back. However, if you're not prepared to make an offer, you want to say something like, I have to do my due diligence. When is the best time to call you back with my highest and best offer? Okay? Short and sweet. Get her done. Some frequently asked questions. I got a few here. One of them is, how long will it take you to close? I say something like approximately 30 days or less. In my market, I am averaging between 2 to 4 weeks closing on deals. And again, these are cheap cash deals. That's why I deal with cheap infill lots, because people readily have access to these funds to close these deals, especially a small to mid-sized builder. Of course, they will probably want to know who will be paying the closing costs. and you want to let them know we will be paying the closing costs, not including back taxes. Please let them know that. Some people will try to stick you with their back taxes, and there is a way you can negotiate it where you can include their back taxes and give them what we call a net offer. So net is after all expenses. This is how much they'll walk away. Okay? And last but not least, they will ask you, frequently asked questions, how long have you been in the business? And you want to say something like, it seems like forever, and then pause. Especially if you're a newbie, you don't have much experience. You could leverage me. You could say, me and my partner have been specializing in vacant land for 2.5 years. I don't mind if you use me. But if it seems like forever should work. But if they saying like, how long? Oh, you want to say, me and my partner have been focusing on vacant land for 2.5 years. Where are you located? I'm physically located in the city and state that the lot is located in. However, you want to say that you have a partner, which would be your builder, is located in the same city and state that the lot is located. Let me run that back again. You want to tell them exactly where you're physically located at. So don't lie, people. Don't lie. Tell the truth. The truth shall set you free, because people will catch you up. People will, like, you'll be surprised, man. You'll be surprised. So don't lie. If you in Charlotte and you trying to do deals in Texas and they ask you where you located at and you say Texas and they say, well, can you meet me tomorrow? I'm ready to sign. And you ain't in Texas. You in trouble. Trouble. You're in trouble for real. So keep it 100 done. That's all I got for you. I will be having another air script. If you're going to be using my technique on prop stream, where we're targeting probate or deceased owner's property, I will have another script for that coming shortly. This is a 3-part series. I do appreciate your time. Listen, time is one of our most valuable assets. So I do not take this for granted that you are consuming my content. I do try to provide value, okay? I'm not looking to just be talking and ain't giving you stuff that ain't working. I try to add value. Every video that I do, I ask myself, what value is this going to add to someone else? So I am very, very conscious of, that you guys are on my channel to learn how to do your first land deal, second land deal, okay? So I'm still on a mission to help 1,000+ people this year to wholesale vacant land. Holla at your boy, share the content. Again, if you have any questions or concerns, my email is in the description. If you want to check out my free course, it's in the description. If you want to get this PDF template, the link is in the description. If you want to know what tools I'm using, what working for me, the link is in the description. These are affiliate links, ladies and gentlemen. I want to be 100 done with you. I don't want to lie to you. You will not be charged anything. The company that you guys that I partner with, they throw me a little something. Every little bit helps. I'm grateful for every $25 referral fee I get from these companies. Some of them are 15%. Some of them are flat fee. It's all good. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for supporting me by using my affiliate links. I'm definitely very grateful for that. If you have any topics you want me to basically kind of touch on, if I have expertise in that area, I will do it. Drop it in the comments. Drop me a comment. All right. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate y'all so much. And I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the day. And I hope to celebrate you soon with a success story. Okay? Thank you.